how to make a DMV appointment online. So here I have multiple websites for multiple areas. This is for California. This is the Florida website. This is the Texas website. This is the New York one. And this is the Connecticut one. Let's go back to the California one. From here, you can schedule appointments for services such as driver's license or ID card applications and renewals, real ID applications, vehicle registration with changes, and behind the wheel tests. Note that certain services like simple renewals must be completed online by mail or at the DMV kiosk. Of course, before you do anything, you first need to create your account. So go to my DMV and register from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.